We are working on GMetrix PowerPoint Project Review 3. We're in the part of the project called Planning slide. The first task wants us to go ahead and insert a slide from Outline. It tells us it's going to be after the wake surfing slide. So we have our cursor here on wake surfing. We're going to go to the Home tab here at the top. We're in the Slides group. We'll select New Slide dropdown, and then we'll select Slides from Outline. You'll want to map to your GMetrix templates folder. We'll go ahead and select that file and click Insert. We'll go ahead and check that we completed that task. This task wants us to go ahead and apply a layout of title only. So with this slide selected, we're in the Slides group. We'll go ahead and select Layout dropdown, and we'll select Title only. We'll go ahead and check that we completed that task. This task wants us to go ahead and convert the list on this slide to SmartArt. To do that, we'll go ahead and select this list. Once we've selected it, we'll go ahead and right-click on it and select Convert to SmartArt. It tells us that we're looking for the basic process layout. We'll go ahead and select that. And it tells us that we're going to go ahead and do the 3D inset style. So with the SmartArt selected, we're on the SmartArt Tools Design tab here at the top. We're in the SmartArt Styles group. We'll go ahead and select the More dropdown here. And we're looking for inset. Make sure you hover if you're not sure which one to select. And we'll go ahead and check that we completed that task. This task wants us to go ahead and change the layout of our SmartArt. So with the SmartArt selected, we're on the SmartArt Tools Design tab here at the top. We're in the Layouts group. And what we want to do is look for Step Up. We'll go ahead and check that we completed that task.